Health benefits of lychee. Welcome to our Healthline Champions Solutions channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the delicious and nutritious lychee fruit. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing a little health humor too. But first, let me welcome you to the Healthline Champions YouTube channel. We're all about sharing science-backed ways to boost your health through nutrition. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's dive into the health benefits of lychee. First things first, lychee is packed with vitamin C, providing over 30% of your daily needs in just one serving. This makes it a great immune booster. Lychee is also a good source of potassium, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. The pink flesh of lychee is loaded with antioxidants like polyphenols, which act as anti-inflammatory compounds. This may help reduce risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Some research even links lychee consumption to lower blood sugar responses after meals. Lychee may also help protect skin health due to its antioxidant content. The antioxidants combat free radical damage to keep skin looking youthful. Applying lychee seed extract topically has been shown to improve skin hydration and elasticity. In traditional Chinese medicine, lychee has been used to promote liver, lung, and kidney function as well. Some studies show lychee may help lower bad LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels too. So whether you're snacking, juicing, or using lychee in desserts, be sure to enjoy this tropical fruit for its sweet flavor and health perks. Just one serving provides over 10% of your daily fiber too. Look for fresh lychee from May through August at Asian markets. Now before you go, let me leave you with a little health humor. Why can't a bicycle stand on its own? Because it's too tired. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and remember to subscribe to Healthline Champions. Enjoy your lychee, it's good for what ails you.